say that one more time to the camera.
This is the hedge against the bottom.
No, Dad. Push it to the back of the...
No, I can't. My knee's like taking...
No, I mean push it to the back of the wall.
Yeah, that's alright.
Otherwise you'll go straight away. You need to have some room to shuffle forward.
There you go. Ho ho ho. There I go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Woohoo!
It doesn't look like you missed the hedge to me.